Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, step right up and prepare to be dazzled. Hold on to your seats and let the spectacle begin. Tonight, we bring you a world of thrills, chills, and unparalleled excitement. It's circus time.
It's fun! Right!
The largest circus tent in the world was so big, it covered over 91,000 square feet. That's like 2 football fields. The term three-ring circus refers to a circus performance that takes place in 3 separate rings or circular performance areas at the same time. The largest circus elephant performance ever featured 50 elephants in a single show. The word circus comes from the Latin word for circle because circus acts often happen in a round ring. In 1947, the largest circus train in history was 109 cars long. It carried around 1,600 people and 1,000 animals.